Which silicone cooking utensils are actually worth buying? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. With so many sets looking nearly identical online, it's hard to tell what's built to last and what'll melt or scratch your pans. Today, I'm breaking down the real differences. Product number 1: Chef-Aid 5-piece spatula set. Let's start with the Chef-Aid 5-piece silicone spatula set at $11.50, $1 of the most affordable options out there. What caught my eye was the seamless one-piece design and the fact that over 20,000 people bought it in the past month. If you want a budget-friendly, no-frills set that won't scratch your non-stick pans, this is worth a serious look. The 100% food-grade silicone handles heat up to 600 degrees F, which means you can stir-fry or scramble eggs without worrying about melting. The oval-shaped heads are flexible enough to scrape bowls clean but sturdy enough to flip pancakes. And because there are no seams, food doesn't get trapped, making cleanup a breeze, plus they're dishwasher safe. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever pulled out a spatula only to find gunk stuck in the handle joint, this design eliminates that entirely. Now, some people might complain that the handles feel a bit lightweight or thin compared to pricier sets. Here's the thing though, for under $12, you're getting solid performance without the fluff. It's not going to feel luxurious, but it gets the job done reliably. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or just need reliable basics for everyday cooking. Skip this one if you want something with a premium feel or need tools beyond spatulas. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Product number 2: Badiano wood handle silicone spoon. Now, if the Chef-Aid set felt too basic, this Badiano cooking spoon at $24.29 takes a completely different approach with its wooden handle and dual-color design. What stands out immediately is the ergonomic wood grip. It feels natural in your hand and stays cool even when the silicone head hits 446 degrees F. This spoon is built for long cooking sessions, whether you're stirring a big pot of soup or serving rice. The matte silicone head is BPA-free and gentle on non-stick surfaces, so you won't accidentally ruin your favorite pan. And the integrated tool rest means the head won't touch your counter when you set it down, a small detail that actually makes a big difference in keeping your workspace clean. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever burned your fingers on a hot metal handle or dealt with sticky residue on your counter, this design solves both. Now, some people complain that the wooden handle can absorb odors over time if not dried properly. Here's the thing though, just wipe it down after use and let it air dry. It's not meant for soaking or dishwashers, but that's standard for wood. This is perfect for you if you value comfort, style, and cookware protection. Skip this one if you prefer fully dishwasher-safe tools or don't want to hand wash anything. At this price, it's a thoughtful upgrade for serious home cooks. Product number 3: Umite Chef 33-piece utensil set. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who wants everything in one box. The Umite Chef 33-piece set at $25.55. With over 8,000 sold recently, this khaki-colored collection includes everything from spatulas and ladles to measuring cups and tongs. If you're setting up a new kitchen or tired of buying utensils one by one, this covers all your bases. Each piece has a wooden handle and a silicone head rated for 446 degrees F, so it's safe for high-heat cooking and won't scratch your pans. The stainless steel core inside each handle prevents bending, something cheaper sets often struggle with. And the included holder and 10 hooks make storage neat and accessible. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of hunting for a pasta server or basting brush separately, you get them all up front. Now, some people noted that the wooden handles aren't dishwasher safe and can warp if soaked too long. Here's the thing though, that's true of almost all wood-handled tools. Just rinse and dry quickly and they'll last years. This is perfect for you if you want a complete, ready-to-use kitchen toolkit without piecing it together. Skip this one if you only need a few specific tools or hate hand washing. For the variety and build quality, it's a great mid-range value. Product number 4: AOTHOD 14-piece dishwasher safe set. Now, if the Umite Chef set's hand wash requirement bothers you, this AOTHOD 14-piece set at $30.68 flips the script with full dishwasher safety. Over 5,000 bought it last month, and it's easy to see why. It combines high-end features with practical cleaning ease. The black design looks sleek, and the set includes essentials like tongs, whisk, slotted spoons, and even an egg separator, all in one sturdy package. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of hand-washing every utensil after dinner, tossing these in the dishwasher saves time and effort without sacrificing performance. The thick silicone heads glide over non-stick surfaces without leaving marks, and the ergonomic handles stay cool. Now, some people said the tongs feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, they loosen up after a few uses, and the grip strength is actually better for precise control. This is perfect for you if you prioritize convenience, durability, and modern design. Skip this one if you prefer wooden handles or want more than 14 pieces. At just over $30, it's a smart investment for busy kitchens. Product number 5. CAROTE 10-piece cream white set. Finally, if you love the look of natural materials but still want silicone protection, the CAROTE 10-piece cream white set at $28.12 blends style and function. With 4,000 plus sold recently, its minimalist design appeals to those who want their kitchen tools to look as good as they perform. Each piece, from the pasta spoon to the egg whisk, has a hanging hole for easy storage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your kitchen has a modern or farmhouse vibe, these blend in beautifully instead of looking like plastic gadgets. They're gentle on non-stick pans and rinse clean with soap and water. Now, some users mention the light color can stain over time with turmeric or tomato sauce. Here's the thing though, that's cosmetic, not functional, and a quick soak usually fixes it. This is perfect for you if you care about aesthetics and want reliable, attractive tools. Skip this one if you need a large set or hate hand-washing wood. For style-conscious cooks, it's a standout choice. So which one should you pick? The Chef Aid set wins for budget buyers who just need dependable spatulas. Badiano's spoon is ideal if comfort and countertop cleanliness matter most. Umite Chef offers the best variety for new kitchens. AOTHOD delivers the easiest cleanup with dishwasher-safe convenience. And CAROTE, it's the go-to if you want your tools to look as good as they work. No single set is perfect for everyone, but one of these is definitely right for you.